there, Nellie. Okay, I'm gonna let this play and see if the body language comes out again. Okay, so Nellie is exploring, and Tristan, the puppy, wants to play with her. And she really would just rather not right now. So, see the head down, her fanny's kind of tucked. She feels safe in that little shed, which she can't get hurt in there, but I would feel safe in there. That's where the poop trash can is. But he wants to play. He's going in quiet and calm. He's not biting her, jumping on her, or anything else. He's just sniffing.